Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can play your Instagram draft reels. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, to play them, the first thing you're going to need to do is to locate them and then go through the entire process after that. Now, you can locate them in two different ways. You can go and start creating your reels like so. Click on the gallery in the bottom left, which is that image in the bottom left, sort of kind of smooth square with a white border. Just click on that, and as you can see at the top, you have the option to select drafts. Just click on that, and here you'll see a list of all your draft reels that you have left over from previous editing. Now I'm gonna exit out of that, and the other way that you can find your draft reels is you can go into your profile, go into your reels, and as you can see, you have the drafts right next to it. Just click on that, it'll open up the same menu, and here you can start playing those drafts. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and access whichever video you would like. So for example, let's say this video, and now you'll see the new reel creation or the information editing. What you need to do is click on edit in the top right, and that's going to open up the video editor, and that video editor is going to play your video from start to finish and allow you to make any additions to it or edit it in any sort of way. You can add audio stickers, cut it out, or just do whatever you want with it, and that is pretty much it. Once you're done, that's all you need to do. You can just exit out, post it, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.